welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to take you on the inside and share with you my spring and Easter living room refresh. But before I do that, I needed to upscale a few candles, and I'm going to do that by decoupaging these candles here, and I'm going to use these napkins, and they will finish off what I need to complete my mantle. And then after that, I will be able to share with you my spring and Easter refresh of my living room. The mantle has been done already. The upper part of my entertainment center has been decorated. My couch has been redone. I've added a few pillows for spring and summer. And so now I'm in here just to complete these candles. So if you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching. So I have these napkins, have a little sponge brush, have my decoupage, my candles, and I'm going to start to work on these. So I'm going to drop you guys down so you can see what I'm doing here, and then I'll take you inside and share with you. I'm going to drop you down and let you see what I'm doing here. Then I'll take you on the inside and share with you my living room. I'm out here at Serenity Place, you know, where I like to make a little magic happen. Me and Mr. or Mrs. Pollen, we are not really getting along. This is like the first year it has really irritated my eyes. So I'm out here, I'm gonna get this done, and then we're gonna go back on the inside. So the first thing I want to do is, this is a 2-ply napkin, so I need to find the part where I can separate the napkin, and sometimes it's easy to find that point, and then sometimes this is a little tedious process, but it'll be worth it in the end. I need to put my glasses on so I can actually see, so I'm struggling without them. There we go. Alright, so I found my part, and all you do is just peel it back. Try not to tear it, so you want to be gentle. Now for some reason, I guess this is a terrible part. So I am still trying to be gentle here. Looks almost like this was perforated here, but I think I'm going to make it work. Just pull it apart. Yep, so I've got this apart, and all this is just the back side. This is the part that I want to use to decorate my candle. So move these out of the way, get some of this other stuff out of the way. It's my candle. So I'm going to take my Mod Podge here, I'm just gonna dip my brush inside here and lightly brush it over the candle. So what I'm going to do here is lay this flat. I'm going to take my candle and place it over the edge here, as close to the bottom as I can get it. Then I'm going to roll this over very gently. And when this dries, it's going to dry clear. So don't worry about that. You just want to slightly dab it. So I'm going to place this up. Then what I'm going to do is take my scissors and cut off this top portion here. So then this last part is the cleanup. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you've made it this far. But this process and this project is called Decoupage, and I am taking some plain candles that are battery operated, applying a napkin and some Mod Podge, and I am looking for a finished product that will fit in with some candles that I will be using to style out my mantle. And you will see exactly what I'm speaking of when I share with you my mantle for this spring and Easter season. And it was so easy to create this. Things I had around the home: scissors, napkins, a turntable, Mod Podge, and a sponge. That's all I needed to create what I am needing to complete my mantle styling. So guys, again, if you're new, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. Feel free to become a part of this family. It is so easy. Just hit that subscribe button. Tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified when an upload is made on this channel. You may share this video out. I do not mind at all. And hey, give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate and how much you enjoy the content that I bring here. So guys, keep watching. Hopefully you've had your coffee or tea or snack, and I hope you're just sitting back and relaxing. And I want you to know that I appreciate your time, your love, and your generosity of comments that are left by those of you that continue to follow. So I am going to share with you the reveal real shortly, so just stick around.
햇살이 너무 좋았어 그냥 모두 좋았어 널 만나서 모든 게 다 잠에서 깨어나서 휴대폰을 먼저 보게 돼 참 많이 변했다는가 세상에서 제일 행복한 순간 널 만나